Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. Today in this video, I will show you how to add video to Shopify homepage banner. Now before we get started, if you want to go and enroll in Shopify, you can get a 3-month free trial with our link down below. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. So this is basically the full tutorial that you need to follow in order to add a banner. So you will need to be a tech savvy for this a little bit. You'll need to go to your online store preferences, and then as you can see here, you'll need to go to your online store and themes. You can also go to the themes and edit the code. Now with the preferences, if you go to the preferences section, here you'll need to basically go and play around with these settings. But what I would do is I would just go here, online store themes, and then edit the code. Now once I edit the code, I will basically go and add a new section, liquid section, video banner. This is what the name of the section should be. .liquid, obviously, click done. And then right now from your new section file, you need to add custom codes or paste pre-made template. Now in this example, this website right here, website builders insider.com, they used ecom experts templates. Now don't forget to save your file once done, and then you need to go to your Shopify admin, click settings, files, and then as you can see here, upload files and upload your video banner. And once that is done, you'll have a video banner right here, and you'll be able to copy the link, go to your themes, customize, and then add a video background right here. And this will basically add a banner to your Shopify store. Now obviously you will need to find the code. So the code for, they basically use the code from ecom experts here, but you'll need to find the code for that as well. Now as you can see, I found the code that they used from ecom experts here. So basically I will link this down below so you can check it out and that you can use it for your own Shopify tutorial so that you can follow along. So this is basically it, guys. This is how easy it is to add a video to Shopify homepage banner. Now if you want to check out a 3-month free trial Shopify with us, you can click the first link down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.